Hello my friends, welcome to Bookla's channel, and in today's video I will show you how to collect custom information in Framer component. Basically, just yesterday the new version of Bookla plugin in Framer was approved, and we have added a really nice feature. It's called custom forms, where you can collect additional information about your clients. For example, it can be a company name, like company size, comment, how did you know about us, or for example your height, your weight, or whatever you want. So basically you can just create a separate form to collect as many data as you need for your booking. And now I will show you how to use these custom forms. It's really easy, believe me. Let's start. Alright, we are in Framer, and I already created a simple page with our booking component, already set up all the values like company ID, API key, and all this stuff, and we can go straight to our custom form. So to do that, we need to select our component, and here in the parameters, you will see the custom form parameter. Just open it, and you will see 3 fields. So first one is title, then subtitle, and fields. So basically, title and subtitle is the text that will be displayed in the header of these custom forms. So basically you can edit it as you want. But let's leave default values for now. And now we can start adding fields. Just click on it, and now you will see that the list is empty, and we can start adding the first field. Just click Add, and let's do it. Label. For example, we want to find out the company of the user. So just create a label company, type text. Basically, there are different types of fields that are supported. It's text for just simple text field. Text area is for a longer text, for example, comment. Number, it's quite clear. Multi-select, when the customer can select few items, then select just single item, phone, and URL. For company, text is enough. Placeholder, enter company name, for example. Input width, it's full, basically it's full width, and required, yes. Error, so this field is required, so it's a default error. So when the field is not completed, so customer will see this error, but it's okay. Now let's go back, and we see that the first field is created. Let's create another one. For example, how did you know about us? And here we will use a select type. And now you see that the options field appeared. And basically here we need to write all our options that are available with the comma as a separator. Let's do it, for example, Facebook ad, Google, and friend, for example, just 3 options. Placeholder, enter value, or let's do select value, because basically we are selecting. Full width, and yeah, this is fine. And now let's add another one, for example, additional comment. Comment, and let's select text area, because we need a bigger field to enter the text. Placeholder, enter your comment. Input, oops, let's go back here, custom form, and we can just continue editing. So enter your comment, input width, required, let's select no, because basically comment is optional. Alright, so we just created a simple form with 3 fields, and let's check how it looks. Now we can publish our component, and let's go to published version of the component. Okay, let's select for today. There are no available slots, but let's check tomorrow. Okay, at 9 AM we have a slot. Let's click continue. And now you see that here it is, our form. And basically, required field has the asterisk. And we see that the company, it's normal text field. How did you know about us? It's select value, like select component, and the comment, so it's optional. That's why we don't see the asterisk here. Let's say Bookla, how did you know about us? Friend, and comment, let's hello there from Framer. All right, now just click continue, and we just need to enter our normal user data, so Igor and email igor@bookla.com. Make a booking, and voila, our booking is made. And let's check how it looks in Bookla Platform. Let's go to Bookla Platform, let's go to our bookings, and we see that the booking is created and all the data that we requested is stored in the metadata. Just click on it and you will see the comment, hello here from Framer, company Bookla, how did you know about us? Friend. So all the data is stored and collected, and now you can create, for example, different kind of automations, or like to send emails to customers when the form is created, or for example you can just feed this data to your CRM. As you see, it was really simple to create the custom form, and you can do whatever you want with that, collect as many information as you need. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to this channel, check out my other videos and other tutorials about the Framer, and not only about the Framer. And please like this video, and see you soon.